There's a cathedral. Spot our apartment, the yellow building. 2 cruise ships in. So it should be busy in town today. Lisbon is really pedestrian friendly. With its crosswalks and its green pathways for bikes and scooters. And this is the metro or subway station on the waterfront at Lisbon in the Old Town area. And around the walls it's got the coat of arms of all the historic towns. We're actually going to these places. Yes, we're going to Faro, we're going to Lagos, Tavira we're going to, Silves we're going to, Evora, yes. Set Val, no, we're not going there, but yeah, that's cool. We're visiting most of these places in the next few weeks. This is a very cool map. We're in the Tourist Information Centre at the ocean front, and here's a 3D map of Lisbon. Bridges. There we go. That's an awesome map. Lighthouses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like there's 6 lighthouses somewhere in this area. This is a display on traditional boat making. Portuguese traditional boats. And then some video displays on how the boats were traditionally made. This is right inside the waterfront tourism centre. So here's another one of the scooters just left, and if you have the app on your phone and you've got some credit in the app, you can just scan your app on this scooter. It will unlock, and away you go, and you ride it for however long you want and drop it wherever you want, anywhere in the city. It's like this guy. Or if you prefer an electric bike, there's a whole fleet of hundreds of those around the city as well. Grab and go and drop and leave. Neat system. The waterfront's very, very impressive. Spotlessly clean. No litter. And the main square is beautiful as well. The steps down into the ocean. I don't think I will be swimming in there. It's a little bit murky. There's the castle we were at yesterday, where we had the good view down onto the old town. What do you know, there's even a small beach at Lisbon front. Clean sand. It's not very big, but there's a beach. This vendor is selling a fresh pineapple. Fresh pineapple, he blends the pineapple, cuts the top off, blends the pineapple, and then adds rum. So you get an alcoholic drink. Well, this building, the blue building, is the Marina Administration building. And I'm not sure what the significance of a giant guitar is out there, out front. Memory lost. So how about this for a nice bar location right on the front? And look at these seats. You can grab one of these deck chairs and they'll bring drinks right to your chair. Some hats there, Rhonda.
Nope.
I don't think they'll suit you though. Oh, real Yves Saint Laurent handbags.
Yeah, right.
Do you think they're real?
Nope.
Probably not.
Oh, here's a bunch more hats. Nope.
Water taxi over there, a little ferry to get over to the other side. And if you're hungry on the waterfront, all kinds of food to be had. Sangria and juice. Here's another one of those pineapples. Okay, we're going to walk inland 1 block. We're following Google Maps just up here. We're going to cut through yet another square. All these beautiful public squares, public areas in Lisbon. It's so nice. And it's good to see them so well used by the public. Now I'm thinking that would be a spectacular fountain. Maybe, if they had water. There's a lot of graffiti in Lisbon. But there's some quite tasteful graffiti too. And wall art. This is just north of the old town, this area. And we're going to head to find an elevator, a vernacular.
But the pizza's super good, you gotta try it out.
And you guys are open 7 days a week? Okay. Wow, pizza is life.
Making a lot of dough.
Pizza is life.
That's awesome. We'll come back later.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Ah, the British school. I should pop in there and learn to speak the Queen's English. Maybe. Typical Lisbon. Stairs everywhere. So if you don't want to do those stairs, the other option, this is one of 3 or 4 old elevators or vernaculars to get you up. So this building here, the Ascensor de Bica, is an elevator. You've got to line up there. There's quite a queue to get in, and it will take you up the hill instead of walking up the stairs. So halfway up the stairs is a little alleyway that led to the vernacular line. Look at the steepness. I don't know if you can see on video, but that's so steep. And this is the station we were just at, where people were lined up. And you can see the tram there. So those people were lined up when we were at the bottom. I've walked a couple of minutes and I'm already halfway up the hill. And here comes the vernacular. We decided to walk, so we're just going to carry on up these stairs and try and catch it up. Bye bye vernacular.